Hello and welcome to this new tutorial, where we'll easily create an abstract landscape using a very limited color palette. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I've chosen a 40 by 40 centimeters, approximately 16 by 16 inches, 3D canvas, and I'm applying a generous layer of gesso. I'm grinding some sand to create a delicate, understated texture on the surface. I sprinkle it onto the canvas over the wet gesso, along what will become the horizon line of the piece. With a brush, I distribute it evenly, building the underlying structure of the composition. We'll let the gesso dry completely. We paint the entire canvas black as the background, and then let it dry. From now on, I'm going to apply all the colors in overlapping layers, without letting them dry, to achieve a subtle blending between the different tones. The first color I'm applying is burnt umber. We continue with raw sienna, blending it subtly with the previous layer. We've applied the first two tones, creating a square around the canvas. Now I'm applying the white, and this is the moment when we create an earthy tone by blending the colors together to varying degrees. We're going to paint the entire canvas, without completely covering the dark black tones of the background. As we apply the white with a flat brush, we create this organic, natural tone, which, once finished, will bring elegance to this minimalist piece. Using the same technique, I now apply black paint over the most textured areas of the canvas, and as we add this tone, our abstract landscape begins to emerge. Our black creates grayer tones where we apply it more lightly, while in other areas we leave it pure and unblended, giving us a variety of shades. I apply more black more lightly, leaving it almost unblended to create a stronger contrast. I brighten the highest part of our horizon by applying a mixture of raw sienna and cadmium yellow deep hue. My brush remains the same and still contains the previous black, continuing to blend and unify the tones together. I apply the white once more, creating subtle lighter and gray tones that complete this abstract landscape. I add black to the raised areas of the texture, enhancing contrast and giving the piece its final sense of depth. And there you have it. Using this wet-on-wet technique and layering different tones, I have created a minimalist, organic abstract landscape. So I'll leave you with these final images of the piece. I'd love to read your thoughts in the comments. Which other tones would you have added, or which colors would you use to create your own version of this tutorial? Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.